So contrary to popular belief, it still does get cold here in the South. And if you heat your home with wood, like we just put in our wood stove, then you're going to need to keep your wood dry and also away from termites. So today we're going to show you how to construct this simple firewood rack that is termite proof. Stay with us. So this might look familiar. Usually these are built using this hollow concrete block and a couple of pieces of timber. In our case, these are from something we had delivered, a pallet. So we've got some 2x4s on the other side and these on this side. We've got some 2x6s here turned up on end for more strength so we can fit more wood up here on the top. But what's different about ours is we've got another block down here and we've got this piece of metal. Now if you're not from the South and you might not know what this is, it's used in home construction a lot. They come in different shapes, different sizes, but this is a termite shield. Termites cannot crawl up and get around this lip. They will fall off. It's kind of like a drip edge on your house. The water, when it comes down, it can't roll back up underneath. It just drips off. If the termite crawls up from underneath, he cannot adhere to the metal. He cannot stick his little feet to the metal on this angle and he will just drop off. So these are used, like I said, a lot in home construction. You can find these at your local big box store, and of course I'll link anything I use in the video down below. But basically the only tool I used for this was a drill driver. And if you need a saw to cut some of the lumber, go for it, but like I said, we just use scrap. It's that simple of a project and it's that cheap of a project. I used 8 screws and that's all we use on the entire thing. So this is going to hold a ton of firewood and it's going to keep any termites away from that firewood, which is incredibly important here in the South. If you haven't already done so, head down below and hit the subscribe button. Additionally, hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And share the video with your friends if you think it will be helpful for them. All right, now let's show you how we constructed this. I can't stress how important it is to keep your firewood away from those wood-eating insects. And here's why. Not only will your firewood disappear over time, but when you bring this wood into your home, obviously it's not split yet, but when you bring it into your home to put it in your fire, you're putting in 1 or 2 logs at a time. The rest of that wood is sitting out and sitting right there. Now you've got termite infested wood in your home. That is something you do not want to deal with at all. So yeah, you can keep it outside, go outside and keep grabbing 1 or 2 logs or 1 or 2 split pieces, come in, put them in the fire, and you'll probably be fine. Do you want to keep running outside? I don't think so, not when it's cold outside. You want to bring in a decent amount of wood for your night's fire. So you need to have that wood free of insects. That is hugely important for your home. So if you notice, we have some pretty short pieces of firewood. We cut ours to 1 foot. We don't cut it to 16 inches. Why? Because we have a smaller fireplace. So if you have a normal length of wood that you buy somewhere, you know, a cord of wood is going to have a 16-foot or 16-inch wide piece of firewood for you. You can simply take the other 2x6 and put it on the outside of your other timber. That's pretty simple to adjust per the width of your firewood. You're going to ask me how long this is, how tall it is. It's going to vary, right? So like I said, we use scrap wood. We'll tell you what we did and we'll put that in the description below, or what the length of our wood itself. And everybody's going to vary a little bit. So don't worry if there's not specific instructions here in the video for you. All right, I want you all to hit that subscribe button. Stay with us here on the channel. We'd love to have you here. We'd love to send you over and check out our website, countrylivingexperience.com. Go visit our tool store. Everything we use on here, on the homestead, is always in that tool store. So everything we recommend for the garden, for the house, for the tractor, whatever it may be, is over there. Go check out our other videos. Have a great day, and we will see you next Tuesday on the next video. Bye.